My eyes wide open, yours are closed. You try to lie inside, it shows. Ain't got no pride, you're denying it though. You hide behind the wall of your foes, all of your clothes. Time grown like only wrong, and time pass.
Hey friend, and welcome to my channel. I'm Angelique. So this one is going to be for my glasses girlies and for my prescription girlies. I picked up some prescription glasses from Zeelool and I got 8 different pairs, so I'm excited to share these with you guys. This is my first time using this website, and one of the best things I liked about them is I do have an HSA, so I was able to use my HSA account to get all of these glasses, honey. So in the box you are going to get those cute little glasses satchels. It's going to come with cloths for each individual pair of glasses. And then you are going to get a PO ruler with them, which is just used to measure the distance of your eyes to make sure your glasses are fitting as they should. Right now, I'm just showing you guys how they look straight out of the box. They are going to come with this little plastic adhesive on it just to keep any smudging and scratches and stuff away from the glasses, so I definitely was a fan of that. The packaging was super straightforward. I like the way that everything was kind of bundled together. And y'all, I'm just excited to show you guys these glasses because, honey, I've been rocking with the same glasses for like 4 or 5 years now, and I just wanted to switch it up and try something different. So I just feel like it's amazing the fact that I was able to get 8 pairs of glasses for like $130 and using my HSA, so that wasn't straight out of my pocket, honey. So this is going to be the first pair that I'm showing you guys. This one is in the style Krystle and it's in the color Krystle, and these ones were $12. Girl, I have never done clear glasses before, but something about these glasses, this is probably going to be my favorite pair. I just feel like this looks so cute. And the color really complements my skin tone. I like that it pops out. I really like the shape of them. I feel like it complements my little round face. This next pair is also going to be in the color Krystle. It's in the style Ebony, and these ones were also $12. So these do look a little bit similar to the Krystle, except they're kind of thicker, if you can see that. And also the ear pieces for these glasses aren't thin like the Krystle pair, but I think these ones were cute as well. Really do like this Krystle color. This next pair is going to be Rodz in the color black, and these were also $12. This is my favorite part about these glasses, you guys. Look at the bling on the sides. And I like that the shape of it is kind of like classy cat vibes. Since I do have like these almond shaped eyes, I just feel like these glasses really complement my face shape as well as my eye shape. So these ones were cute. They're a little bit more dainty than the other ones, but I definitely was here for it. These ones are going to be in the style Cadogan, and it's in the color black. These ones were $20. I really like the look of these, you guys. I like that the black goes around the insides of them and not on the outsides, if that makes sense. I feel like it just gives it a very like subtle uniqueness and a little classy pop. So I really like these ones. These next ones are going to be Dexter. They're in the color black, and these ones are $20. These are kind of just like your basic ones, but I think these are cute. I really have just been feeling like the bigger type of glasses, so as you guys can see with all the ones that I picked up, they're kind of on the bigger side just because I feel like the bigger frames kind of suit my face better. And like I said, you guys, these are all prescription, and I just feel like you can't beat that price when it comes to getting 8 pairs of glasses for $130 that have prescriptions. So this next style is going to be called Laraine. It's in the color black. These are $22. Gold is one of my absolute favorite colors, so I really love the fact that the top of these glasses have that like gold rim. It's giving unique, it's giving cute, it's giving sassy, classy, bougie on a budget. These next glasses, I really like these ones, you guys. These are called Xion. They're in the color black, Krystle, and these ones were $31. I haven't seen any glasses like this out and about, and I really love the fact that it transitions from that black color to that crystal color. It kind of gives like an ombre vibe, which I've never seen, and I just thought was super cute and very unique. And I feel like these are going to be glasses that are going to be good for like no matter what outfit you're wearing, but I really like that it can give you a little bit of a step up and change if you want one. These next glasses, I got Xion again, you guys, because I had a feeling I was going to like them. And I got it in the color brown, and these ones were $41. So as a whole, you guys, I do think I will definitely be ordering from this company again, especially because I've been wearing these glasses daily so far, and the durability seems really good, especially for that price point, you guys. And just the quality of the glasses overall and the looks that they have so many different options on there. So I feel like if you want a different vibe, if you want to switch it up, but you also don't want to spend a crazy amount of money, especially when it comes to prescription glasses, I absolutely would recommend ordering from them. And I think one of the things I was the most surprised about, but pleasantly surprised about, was the fact that it only took 10 days from the time I ordered it to the time that I received it. I thought it was going to take a while just because sometimes prescription glasses can take a bit to get to you, but I was really a fan of the fact that the delivery was super quick with these. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. Let me know if you've tried out these glasses before, or let me know if you've tried out Zeelool ever and what your experience with. And until then, I hope to see you guys soon. Bye.